Offloading on the go. And I can see everything out of my camera. So I still gotta check the pulse with the combine driver every now and then. And then, when he's finished offloading, I can look at my scale and see what I'm sitting at. He's still got a little ways to go. Let's see how much we got. 22,000. It's at 37%. Make sure all my buttons still work. This should be the auger fold out. Yup. That one's still working. I got everything set up on these buttons right here, so I don't have to mess with none of these switches. Alright. Cool. Watch it close. Turn the hydraulics off. This one actuates the top of it. This operates the gate. This is forward and reverse. This is up and down on the gears. And this is your throttle. Pretty easy. Maybe on the next one I'll get a little more detailed.